everybody. Welcome to part 2 of Art Journaling with Happy Mail.
Welcome to my channel, and I'd like to explain what this video is about. It involves Happy Mail, and Happy Mail is usually what artists give each other that happen. I only know about Happy Mail that is sent to each other when artists are in Facebook art groups. And probably YouTube artists get Happy Mail also, probably from their fans. But members of art groups and Facebook art groups, many groups might post a list in their files, and they call it a RAK list, R-A-K, which stands for Random Acts of Kindness. So isn't that really cool? So, and then this list is just posted in the files, and whoever wants to put their address on the list, people can randomly just send you Happy Mail. Happy Mail usually is little pieces of artwork, like artist trading cards that they're only 2.5 by 3.5 inches, or something that can be folded up and put into a 9 by 12 inch manila envelope or something. I've gotten collage papers, painted art tissue papers, artist trading cards, postcards, all kinds of things that you like, decorative buttons, all kinds of things that you might want to use in collage or mixed media artwork. So I and many other artists may have collected a lot of Happy Mail that they have not actually used, and that's what made me come up with this idea for this project, is that I had actually collected a lot of Happy Mail over the years in a box, and it was just sitting there on my shelf. So I just thought I hadn't heard of this being done before, and I thought this was a unique idea, a Happy Mail art journal. And so this is the challenge. The challenge is you can only use Happy Mail in the journal as the collage elements, for most of the collage elements. You can add paint if you have to, and other things like that, or I did some stamp printing, that's fine. And I had to cut some paper hearts, which that's fine. But for the most part, all the collage items in your journal, and in part 1, if you look back in part 1, and I'll list that in the card up here, or if I don't know if it's up here or up here, the iCard, and also list it in the link below. Part 1 shows me making the handmade journal from scratch using 9 by 12 manila envelopes and sewing them together to make a handmade journal. And now in the second part is I'm continuing to work in the journal on the many pages. There's about 20 pages in the journal, and working on it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much for being here. Please give me the thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe, hit the red button and the bell for notifications, so you will know when I have future videos. And I upload videos every Wednesday. So thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to read some of your comments below. Okay, let's get started.
The next page, this Kylie Coo was also in this artist trading card swap, in which we did video hop, and she sent a lot of happy mail with her artist trading cards. So here's a card that she sent me. So I'm gonna glue this. So it's nice, it opens up, because I could glue more things in there at another time. And I've used up a lot of her I actually used up a lot of her Happy Mail that she sent me over the years. So here's some more Happy Mail. Thinking looks like that, and there's a nice little charm with this because it was the Halloween swap. And then this nice envelope right here is perfect for, because I have more things that she sent. So this handmade painted tissue, a little plastic bag of buttons. These that are used for putting things around to hold them. All these can go in this envelope for future use. A note to me on this side of this side's gorgeous. This side's the orange and this side's the cool side. I love the cool side. Might do something like that. This one with the note, because it has the note, I think I put that in the pocket. So let's glue down this. You know what? I can't decide about that. I know something needs to go here. I'm not sure. I think I'll just put it in the pocket and think about it for another time. Here's another artist, and she's a YouTube artist as well. When I first started YouTubing several years ago, I was in a Facebook group run by Gina Ahrens Bronzini. I will link her YouTube channel down below. And she sent me quite a bit of Happy Mail. At one time, she just sent me a big envelope full. And she sent me, and I know she created these collage papers. Like, they're prints. They're beautiful prints. Prints probably of her paintings. And for her, I would probably want a pocket. So I might skip a page here. I'm gonna skip a page and go to her because there's stuff that I would want to be putting in a pocket there. It's beautiful collage paper. I would not be painting on top of this. I might just glue a little bling to it or something. I don't know, or leave it as it is. And I don't want to cover that clasp. So I'm gonna have to do a cutout. I'm gonna see what else she sent me. I don't even know. I don't want to cover that. I'm gonna see what else she sent me that might go with this. Actually, I do not have that accessible right now, but here's more collage paper, which I'm either gonna, let's see, does it fit in this pocket? Yeah, it does fit in the pocket. So I might be using that collage paper somewhere else in this journal, or later on in some other kind of journaling. We'll see. Oh, let's go back. We skipped page. Now here's some Happy Mail. I don't know where it came from, and these are beautiful snowflakes and a butterfly. Oh, an owl. It's gorgeous. This tissue paper, I'm not sure exactly. So what is this? We got a butterfly, not a snowflake. Okay, it's a butterfly and owl. For now, I might be painting, like adding paint to this, I don't know, but for now, I'm gonna glue them by themselves. It's requiring quite a bit of the gel matte medium to stick. So these were all from the friendship postcard swap that was in this other Facebook group that I can't remember the name, but I'm gonna link it down below, that we did in the summer. And I got quite a nice, beautiful handmade postcards. And this was one of them too. I think I'm gonna glue this one here. And one of the women actually made an envelope out of a calendar. And put some bling here. And I'm gonna glue that there. And so this can be a pocket here. And some women in the postcard swap sent me these pages of, they're like miniature stickers. They're really tiny, really tiny stickers. And they will not fit in that envelope, but they're gonna fit in here. This little bag she sent with the postcard, a bunch of bling in there, like sequins and a couple feathers, but mostly sequins, and I think some beads. Oh, this nice, it's wooden hot air balloon and a wooden heart. I'm gonna do some stamp printing here, so that's why I'm gonna leave that empty. And I really like this hot air balloon. Oh, does it? I guess it goes right there. And all these friendship cards, postcards, I'm gonna put in here. Yeah, I don't care if this book gets bulked up, and the way I'm gonna have it close is just have a ribbon tied around it. This is permanent black ink, and it's Carter's brand, Carter's permanent black ink. Alright, came out good. like that would look nice there. Maybe even right there. Looks good. Even might decorate this with a thinner one. Alright, I think that's good for today. So let's a little review. I didn't do the cover yet. And this folds out and something could always go there. This also folds out, all blank here. And I put some in the pocket. It's from this artist, Kylie Coo. These I didn't know where they come from. I'll probably be adding more to this page. The beautiful collage papers. From Gina Ahrens Bronzini, and I put some more of her stuff that she gave me in there, in the envelope. That one's blank for now. Okay, and this is from this friendship postcard swap, and I'll link down the Facebook group in which we did this. We did this last summer, and that envelope's pretty full. And then that's it for now. There's like how many more pages? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this was some inspiration to you and that you will be doing some art journaling or even make a handmade journal like I've made with your Happy Mail. Have a great creative day.